If you've ever tried running ads on major ads platforms like Meta, TikTok, and Google Ads, then you would have come to realize it's nearly impossible to get your ads approved. And this dilemma right here is a huge setback for most affiliate marketers who wants to get high quality traffic from this ads platform to their CPA and affiliate offers. But guess what? There is a solution, and the solution is a cloaker. So for those who don't know, a cloaker is basically a tool that filters traffic using various parameters and fingerprints. So simply put, when you use a cloaker in your ads, it shows a compliant page, which is also known as a white page, to the advertising platform bots and moderators, while your target users on the other hand will be redirected to your CPA offer or affiliate link, which is also known as money page. So there are many cloakers out there, but the best by far is Cloaking.House. Cloaking.House is an advanced tool that lets you hide your CPA offer link from moderators on platforms like Google Ads, Meta, and TikTok, while showing your offer page to your target users or your audience. So in other words, Cloaking.House helps you bypass ad account ban and helps you get your campaigns approved easily, especially in niches like weight loss, crypto, sweepstake, or other restricted niches. And on top of that, there is no complicated coding or programming process involved. In just 2 minutes, you can set up everything inside Cloaking.House platform, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced marketers. So you want to click on the first link in the description, or you want to go over to Cloaking.House and it's going to bring you to the website. All you need to do here is to click on the create account button. And just like that, it's going to bring you to this page where you want to create an account with Cloaking.House by simply entering your basic information. And once you do that, all you need to do is to click on the create account button. And once you do that, your dashboard is going to look like this. And so you know, for creating an account, you're going to get free 7 days trial period to test out their service. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to cloak your affiliate links using Cloaking.House. So there are 2 methods you can use to cloak your links. You can either use the PHP integrated method, or you can use the domain method. So I'm going to be walking you through how to use the 2 methods in this video. Okay, all you just simply need to do is to come over to where it says flows, and here you want to then click on create flow. And now before you do anything here, it's very important, you want to create a white page first. And to create a white page, you can either do it manually, or you can simply use the inbuilt AI white page generator by Cloaking.House. Okay, so you can come over to the AI white page generator right here. And as you can see, I have also generated white pages for myself. All you just need to do is to click on the generate button. So once you do that, you want to basically enter a name for the white page. And this is going to depend on the offer you're promoting or the product you're promoting. I'm going to be taking CPA Grip as an example. This is a CPA network where you can find numerous CPA offers as well. Okay, so I'm going to come over to the offer tool section and I'm going to go to my offers. So once you do that, you want to come over to the country section, and this is where you can look for offers from any country of your choice. So I'm going to take UK as an example in this video. So let's say we want to promote this offer here as an example. All right, so if I click on this offer, so as you can see, this is an offer that is going to pay people money to complete surveys. All right, and this offer is going to pay us $1.71. So now all we need to do is to go back to our Cloaking.House account. Okay, so you can give the white page whatever name you want, and then you want to come over to vertical, and this is where you want to select the vertical that is most related to the CPA offer. Okay, so for this one, it's finance, since people are looking to make money. Okay, so now you want to then select the AI model you want to use. As you can see, they have a 1-page AI model. They also have another one for apps, and they have another one here for ads. And now you want to then scroll down and select a theme you want to use. So you can see there are so many categories here you can choose from. Okay, so I'm going to go with finance again. And now for the language, we are targeting English audience. So you want to select English right here. Okay, so you can also come over here and enable this and play around with these other settings if you want to do that. Okay, so I'm going to disable this. And so you're going to see how much you'll be charged here for creating a white page. So as you can see here, it costs $3. And so you can fund your account by simply clicking on this section right here. And once you make the payment, your account will be funded. And all you just need to do from here is to click on generate. And just like that, it's going to generate a white page for you in less than 2 minutes. Okay. So once the landing page is generated, you're going to see a download button here, which you can use to download your landing page. Okay, so I'm going to download this landing page. So once you download the white page, the next thing you want to do is to go over to your hosting platform. And it's very important that you're going to need an hosting platform that supports PHP version 7.4 and above. So I'm going to put an image on the screen of some hosting platforms that support PHP 7.4 and above. All right, so for me, I'm going to be using cPanel from Namecheap, and here you want to then click on File Manager. Once it brings you to this page, all you just need to do is to locate your domain folder. So once you locate your domain folder, you want to upload the white page we just downloaded. So I'm going to drag and drop it right here. So once the upload is complete, you want to go back and then it's going to bring you to this page. All you need to do is to right click and you want to extract this. So once you do that, you want to make sure to go over to your domain name and make sure your white page is working correctly before we proceed to the next step. You want to then come over to the index.html or the index.php file. Okay, this is very important because you want to edit this name because later on we are going to be uploading the cloaking index file. So we want to do this so these files do not conflict each other. All right. Okay. So you want to click on rename. So here I'm going to rename this as site.html. Okay. And here you want to then click on rename file. So that is all you need to do in your hosting account. And you want to come back to the flow creation section. So you want to then give your flow a name. So for me, I'm going to name this as survey offer. And now for the white page, so this is where you then want to type in site.html or site.php, depending on your index file. All right. So for the offer page section, you want to make sure to select redirect. And the next thing you want to do is to simply go back to your offer page and copy your offer link. So once I copy the offer link, all I need to do is to simply paste it in this box. So once it's done like this, the next thing you want to then do here is to click on continue. And once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page and you're going to see all of these filters right here, which performs important functions to make sure your cloaking works successfully. As you can see, the first one here, which is cloaking. This is the most important right here, which makes sure your links are cloaked from the moderators and bots of this ad network. So this black IP right here, it filters irrelevant traffic from your offers, basically redirecting them to the white page. Okay, so the same applies to traffic from proxies, from IPv6 and IXP. The same thing applies to traffic without a referral. So these are people who manually type in your domain name in their browser. Anybody that does this, they are going to be automatically taken to your white page. So for this section right here, this basically means you want to set the number of times you want an IP to see your money page every day. Okay, so this number here is up to you. And also this section here, which says number of clicks before filtering, just like it says the number of clicks before the cloaker starts working. All right, you can set this number to any amount you want. And for the country section right here, as you can see, you want to select the country allowed to access your money page. Okay, so now this is going to depend on the offer you're promoting. And for our case, since we are targeting United Kingdom, for this offer, you want to select United Kingdom. This means only people from United Kingdom can access our money page. So any other country is going to go directly to the white page. Okay, so the same applies to devices as well. So you can approve devices depending on the offer requirements. Okay, so for me, I'm going to select this as all. And for operating system, the same applies as well. So for the browser section, I'm going to select all as well because our offer does not specify a specific browser or operating system to use. Okay, So once all this is done, you can also come over to these additional parameters if you want to do that. But this is only for those who really know what they are doing. So I recommend to leave this as default, and you want to then click on save. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. All you need to do is to change the status from pause to active. And here you want to then click on save. And just like that, as you can see, our flow has been created. So the next thing we want to do here is to simply come over here. This is where we then want to download our Cloaking file. So you want to click on this download button right here. So once you do that, all you just need to do from here is to click on download index.php. All you then need to do from here is to simply come back to your hosting, and you want to click on the upload button. So once you do that, you want to drag and drop the file here, and you want to click to go back. And just like that, you want to then highlight the file, and all you need to do is to extract it, okay, by clicking on extract. And just like that, as you can see, we now have our index.php file right here. So now if I try to access the domain name, as you can see, it's going to bring us to this page right here. So now you want to basically then go over to the clicks section. So you can see this is the IP address I used to access the domain name. Okay, and because we are not in United Kingdom, it automatically redirected us to the white page. Okay, so if I go back here right now, so let's assume this is your IP address and you want to still have access to the money page. All you just simply need to do is to go to the flow section. Then you want to go over here and you want to edit your flow. Okay, you want to basically go to the status section. You want to then come over to IP whitelist. Okay, so these are the list of IP you want to bypass the white page and go directly to the offer page. To paste in the IP address right here, and you want to click on save. If you try to access the website again, it's going to take you directly to the money page. I hope this makes sense. So now I'm going to show you the second looking method, which is the domain method. All you just need to do is to come over to the domain section. So once you come over to the domain section here, the reason I like this method so much is because you don't need to have hosting. You can basically just use a domain name only. Okay, so once you come over here, all you need to do is to either enter an existing domain name you already have by typing it in this box, and you want to click on add, or you can just directly purchase a domain name within Cloaking.House itself, all right, for just $10. And to do that, all you just need to do is to fund your account, as I mentioned earlier. Okay, so once your account is funded, as you can see, I already have a domain name in my account. All you just simply need to do is to come over here and you can purchase domain names right here. So once you select a domain name, all you need to do is to click on buy domain name, and within 5 to 10 minutes the status will change from pending to connected. So for those who want to use their own domain name, all you just need to do is to type it in right here. Okay, so once you type in your domain name, I'm taking xvmarketing.com as an example. You want to click on add. So once you click on add, all you just need to do is to go over to your domain name registrar. You want to copy this name servers right here and paste it in your domain name. So once you do that, your domain name will be verified and it's going to also change to connected as well. All right, so any of this method you want to use is absolutely fine. So the next thing you then want to do is to go over to the flow section. All you need to do is to click on create flow. All right, just like we did for the PHP method earlier. So you want to give the flow a name. So once you do that, the next thing you're going to be needing is a white page, and you can type in any page of your choice right here, as long as it's a compliant page. So I'm going to take translate.google.com as an example. And the next thing you then want to do for the offer page, this is where you then want to come over to select redirect as well. All right, so the next thing you want to do, this is where you're going to be pasting your CPA offer link. All you just need to do here is to click on continue. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. You want to make sure you leave everything as default like this. So once you do that, like I showed you earlier, you want to select the target countries that are allowed to go to your money page. You want to also do the same for devices, operating system, and browsers. Okay, so once you're done, all you just need to do is to click on save. And just like that, it's going to bring you to this page. Then you want to change this from pause to active. And finally, like I showed you earlier, if you want to access your money page from your IP address, just paste in your IP address in this box and click on save. So once everything is done, the next thing you want to then do is to basically scroll down like this. And here you want to then come over to get your domain link. Okay, so once you do that, you want to then make sure to select cloaked link. So once you do that again, you want to scroll down here and it's going to show the domain you have connected to Cloaking.House. So once you do that, all you need to do is to then copy the link, and this is the link you're going to be using to drive traffic. This is how easy it is to cloak your link using Cloaking.House. Also, if I scroll down here, they also have API as well. As you can see, you can integrate direct cloaking into your project. And if you encounter any problem or you need any sort of assistance, you can basically chat them up by clicking on this button right here, or you can basically reach them on Telegram as well. As you can see, their Telegram username right here, and they'll be more than willing to help you out. However, for those who are serious about making money using Cloaking.House, I highly recommend to come over to the subscription section. And this is where you're going to see all the various affordable plans they have, starting from $49 up to $779. So I highly recommend to at least go with the basic plan, as this allows you to create up to 10 flows, which means you can cloak up to 10 links. So whichever plan you go for, all you just simply need to do is to click on connect. Then you want to come over to the promo code section, type in XB marketing like this. You can make payment using either USDT, Capitalist, or you can use Pay to House. So whichever payment method that works for you, you want to select it and you want to then click on proceed to payment. And just like that, you are going to get 30% off any plan you go with. And once you make the payment, your account will be activated.